Hi there, I'm Bob Merkel, creator of VoiceZam. Thanks for joining me. I'm taking questions from social media that people have about VoiceZam and answering it through these types of videos. So if you have questions about VoiceZam, anything goes, ask it, and we'll put together an answer for you, okay? And the first question we have is from somebody named Roberto Pompili. And Roberto asks, what can we do to spice up our emails? Can you please give us a walkthrough? I would absolutely love to give you a walkthrough. We have the perfect tool for helping you with marketing yourself with every email you send 24/7. And so here's how it works. You have an email here that a recipient has received that you have sent out, and then you have your website. So what StraightShot does is it sits right in the center, and when people read your email, at the very end, it says, check out my latest demos, and there you have buttons which lead to your website. So when they click it, with one click, goes right over your website, launches a browser, goes to the website, selects the demo that they clicked, and starts playing it. So how cool is that? So if they're working on a project and they say, whoa, I'm going to need an Italian voice coming up in the next project or so, they click on it, there it is. Your contact information is right on your website, and they can make a note of it or call you. So that's how StraightShot works from beginning to end. Now let me show you how to do it. I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to do it on this page because a lot of it is customizable. But essentially what you're doing is you're creating buttons, and you're pulling them down to this button bar until you have buttons, your demo buttons, we call them, that will launch your demo in the order you want to feature them. So then what you do is you copy and paste it into an email. And this email I've already constructed for the sake of time. And so, hi Pat, I'm sending this out. Lorem ipsum, blah, blah, blah. Thank you. My name is Keith. Check out my latest demos. So what I've got here is I've already sent it to myself. I've received it. So I'm Pat reading this, and I go, hey, whoa, what's this? Pat here has got some great demos that I want to listen to. So I'm going to click Italian, and that goes over to, actually, it's Robert Pompili's website. He's been gracious enough to let us demonstrate on his account and site. So here it is. I went from the Italian button. I clicked it in this email. It came over here to his demos page, selected
Questa è una voce 4
the Italian demo, and started playing it. So let's try that again. This is a live email. I click on English. It goes over to Roberto's demos page, selects English, and then plays it. Now the cool thing is you can take this button bar and move it into your email signature. So then every email that you send, this signature, this call to action, check out my latest demos, and these buttons are going to go out with the email. And who knows where emails go? They get forwarded, they get sent around, they get replied to different people. And so you never know what eyes are going to see your demos associated with your name. So that's the way StraightShot works. It's pretty cool. We see a lot of Zamtistics, which you can also get from this. I didn't go into it. But you can also get tracking on who's clicking on your StraightShot buttons. So there you go. That's kind of a whirlwind tour of StraightShot. And please keep those cards and letters coming. I'd love to hear more questions and answer them for you. So thank you again. Stay safe and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.